And tonight, the Lightning Rod team is taking on some of those questions in a segment we call Ranting and Raining.
That's right. Let's head to meteorologist Mark Elliott and web correspondent Mary Cobb for more. Hey, guys.
Hey, thanks a lot. You know, as you said, we love hearing from the viewers. They're always sending in a lot of questions, but tonight we're focusing in on the tropics. We're going to answer them here in Ranting and Raining.
That's right, and the best way for you to reach us is by visiting weather.com/lightningrod. There you can find links to our Facebook and our Twitter pages where you can submit your questions all night long. We'll be taking them all night. So let's start with Floyd on Facebook, who asks, what variables are the most predictive in tropical cyclone development computer models? So I guess what he's asking is, when you're looking at a computer model and it's trying to predict where a cyclone's going to go, which variable is the most important?
Yeah, unfortunately, tough question to answer because they're all important. I mean, anything that you can get on weather.com in a map, those models are trying to simulate in their fake model world. So let's take it to the Microsoft Surface. We're going to go over some of these. You know, for me, the temperatures of the ocean, really important. So we're going to bring in the temps of the land here. That's important too for the systems that are close to land, like the remnants of Nicole. You got to get both of those right. Of course, wind speeds through the whole atmosphere, really important. So we're going to drag that in too. You can see all the colors here. The lighter blues, 30 mile per hour. The darker blues, 50 mile per hour winds. And that's that next front that's going to be coming on in. So there's a lot of wind with that one too. A little bit in South Florida with the rain going on. So basically, everything actually needs to be right. I mean, an example that I can think of, an area of low pressure was going over New Orleans. This is in the winter, and it was going to go up the coast to give some snow, but the actual weather information from New Orleans didn't make it to the model place in time. So the entire model run was wrong for the rest of the run. All 4 or 5 days out, completely wrong because it was missing one thing.
Because they're all using mathematical equations, so if you don't have A, B, and C, you're not going to get...
Right, and they compile each other. So if you get it wrong in the beginning, it'll be wrong the next day and the next day and the next day. So every single part of that has to be right for it to work.
Wow.
So a good question, but hard to answer. Hopefully that was good. Maybe you have more questions for us. Send them to us, weather.com/lightningrod for our Facebook and Twitter links on there. And of course, we'll be watching that all night long also. All right, back to Weather Center.
All right, Lightning Rod team, thank you very much.